We're Jiangsu Jittery Intelligent Manufacturing Technology Institute. Call LTD. We're at the 2023 Manufacturing Indonesia. You can find our booth at B35227 in Jakarta International Expo. Kemayoran October 6th to October 10th. We have collaborative robot for industrial automation field. We're focusing on providing overall solutions for intelligent manufacturing, providing customers with collaborative robot, service robot, smart factory design and implementation, and industrial software development and application. Our cobot arms come with payload 3 kilograms, 5 kilograms, 10 kilograms, 16 kilograms, 20 kilograms to meet different needs. We have more video on Alibaba tips. Subscribe right now. Don't miss it. Wait till you inquire.